1739 Longwood, excuse me, Lyndhurst, Ohio update. You see what a beautiful day it is today. Nice neighborhood. Gorgeous over here. 2-car garage. All this. This thing is gorgeous. Here's this nice big backyard, beautiful. Let's go inside. This one's getting almost done. The guy's coming for the epoxy today. He's doing the bathroom. It's a nice place. All this is strapped. This is all getting epoxy. All this is getting epoxy. Here, he's coming by to get the one AC. We'll get the other one up. So we get the electrical done. Here's this. We're gonna epoxy this. It's gonna look brand new. Again, all these are painted, plugs, switches, lights, everything. We're gonna be the light in here too. It's gonna be nice, very nice. So this is done. So we got all this. Here's the stairs. All those got painted. We got another unit going up here. We just gotta get, there's just not a lot of electricals in these old, so we have to put new in here, but this has got a nice 2-bedroom setup up here. Here's the first one. Very nice. Then we have this. This is kind of an entryway, and then you can go into the second bedroom. The closet is right there. With that. It's all plugs, switches, lights, everything's in here. All new flooring. This is nice flooring, it's luxury model. So, here. Down here. So they're getting a new bathroom put in here. So this is all framed up. Here, all of this is done. He's getting this shower pan is going to be put in. There's going to be a vent, a light, and another light over there. It's going to be a very nice house when we're done. And we'll get this serviced. The heater, it's in good shape. And everything else is going to be pretty much brand new. 2 new AC units we're going to put in here. And again, it's going to look very nice. Here's the water heater. Electrical panel's good. Everything's good in here. And there's the new vanity going into the bathroom. So again, this is almost done. This is Brett. I'm with Key Realty. This is a nice property. Call me if you have any interest in it. Get it to you for a good price. 216-703-5740. Check out the websites below. Thanks.